Acharya, generating youth employability. Gives a handsome industrial experience concerned with your domain apart from your text-based academic education. Training with current leads in IT field. Demanded training for ME and BE graduates to make them eligible for an IT job. Enhance the candidates to realize the industrial work experience with real-time experience certificates and placement assistance.
We provide internship training for UG and PG students of computer science, information technology, and in the IT stream. Internship is provided by Acharya Virtual Solutions Private Limited, registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, a software firm with 16+ years of experience in IT field. Certificates are internationally verifiable and adds credit for your campus placements.
Railway Station Road, Marthandam, Kaliyakavile by phone 944 200 7700.